Hi Ken, you are truly unique and one of a kind. So talented with such a kind heart. You have so many different layers. Thank you for sharing them. Wishing you continued success and so many blessings. Marites, P.S. Nata Gismosa. Yun. Appreciate. Pretty common yung Marites sa Pilipinas.
Pwede na, Josh.
We appreciate like everything na binibigay niya sa amin kasi although may small gifts talaga na hindi namin alam kung kinuha sa mga, alam mo yun, like some of you are, you know, like students, pinag-ipunan lang talaga, kinuha sa baon, kinaltas, ganito, ganyan. Sobrang nakakalambot ng puso na nagbigay kayo ng ganung, like, kumuha pa talaga kayo ng portion ninyo, I don't know,
Budget.
yung budget nyo. Tapos binigay nyo talaga sa amin. We truly